Cybersecurity threats in open-source packages continue to proliferate. Security pros have used static analysis in the past to detect Python malware. Hackers responded with a host of tricks and techniques to obfuscate. To the trained eye, these packages may look suspicious, but the use of static analysis tools did not necessarily reveal the exact operations of the malware. Security pros were still able to use dynamic analysis as a safety net. But what about the more sophisticated attacks that are harder to detect? What if attackers create anti-debugging code to avoid detection with scanning tools? This is exactly what is happening. Hello, this is Trac Bannon reporting from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. This week, JFrog announced that threat actors had stepped up their Python hacking game by creating anti-debugging code. This added code can defeat dynamic scanning tools. The package where this was first identified is cookies log. Once launched, the anti-debugging code checks whether or not there are debuggers running on the system. The list includes over 50 tools that the malware checks for, including Visual Studio, IDE, Fiddler, and Process Hacker. What exactly does this hard-to-detect malware do, though? In the case of cookies log, it's a relatively simple password grabber. This exposes a whole new dimension of threat vectors, using new nefarious ways to deliver old ideas. For links to the materials in this report, or to hear related reports, head on over to 505updates.com. Something to noodle on.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.